Low testosterone is killing your gains. Have you ever felt like your energy's been zapped lately? Or your workouts aren't as powerful as they used to be? These could be signs of something many men face but often overlook: low testosterone. Today, we're diving into 20 warning signs that your testosterone might run low. Stick around. This information could be a game changer for your health and well-being. Let's start with a common issue: difficulty sleeping. If you're tossing and turning more than usual, it might not just be stress. Low testosterone can mess with your sleep patterns, leaving you exhausted. Speaking of being tired, chronic fatigue is another red flag. Are you constantly feeling wiped out even after a whole night? That could be your body telling you something's up with your testosterone levels. Now, let's talk muscles. Have you noticed your gains in the gym aren't what they used to be? Reduced muscle mass is a classic sign of low testosterone. Your body needs this hormone to build and maintain muscle. Low testosterone can have a significant impact on your daily life. Along with muscle loss, you might notice increased body fat, particularly around the midsection. This shift in body composition is often linked to hormonal changes. Let's move on to mood changes. Feeling irritable, down, or just not yourself. Low testosterone can affect your mood and overall sense of well-being. Hair loss is another potential sign. While it's often genetic, hormonal changes can speed up the process. If you notice more hair in the drain, it might be time to check your T levels. Now for a sensitive topic: erectile dysfunction. It's not just about age. Low testosterone can impact your ability to get and maintain an erection. This often goes hand in hand with a reduced semen volume. If you've noticed changes in this department, don't ignore them. If this content has been helpful to you, we would appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel. Hot flashes aren't just for women going through menopause. Men with low testosterone can experience them too. Are you suddenly feeling overheated for no reason? It could be your hormones. Let's talk about your bones. Testosterone plays a role in bone density. Low levels can lead to bone loss, increasing your risk of osteoporosis. Here's one you might not have thought of: testicular shrinkage. Yes, it's a thing, and it can be a sign of low testosterone. If you've noticed a change in size, it's worth mentioning to your doctor. Low sex drive is another common symptom. Testosterone is vital for libido in men. If your interest in sex has taken a nosedive, hormones could be the culprit. Depression is a serious concern that can be linked to low testosterone. It's more than just feeling sad. It's a persistent low mood that affects daily life. If you're experiencing this, please seek help from a healthcare professional. Are you having trouble remembering things or focusing? Poor memory and lack of concentration can be symptoms of low testosterone. It's not just getting older. Your hormones might be playing a role. Let's talk about a condition called gynecomastia. It's a fancy word for enlarged male breasts. This can be embarrassing, but it's an actual medical condition often linked to hormonal imbalances. Anemia is another potential issue. Low testosterone can affect red blood cell production. This can leave you feeling weak and tired. If you're trying to start a family, pay attention to this one: low sperm count. Testosterone is crucial for sperm production. Low levels can impact your fertility, a significant concern for many men. Anxiety is another mental health concern that can be related to low testosterone. It could be worth checking your hormone levels if you feel more anxious than usual. Notice a significant drop in your strength? Whether it's at the gym or just in daily activities, decreased strength can be a sign of low testosterone. Lastly, let's talk about concentration. Need help to focus on tasks? This could be your brain responding to changes in hormone levels. Now, what should you do if you're experiencing these symptoms? First, don't panic. Many of these signs can be caused by other factors too. The best step is to talk to your doctor. They can order blood tests to check your testosterone levels. If they are low, there are treatments available. These can include lifestyle changes, diet modifications, and, in some cases, hormone therapy. Remember, everyone's body is different. What's normal for one person might not be for another. That's why professional medical advice is so important. There you have it, 20 warning signs of low testosterone. Experiencing one or two of these doesn't necessarily mean you have low T. But if several of these signs sound familiar, it might be time for a checkup. Your health is worth it. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Please share it with someone who might benefit from this information. And leave a comment if you have any questions or experiences to share. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.